So we're in the middle of Munich and we've come down to Marienplatz. We're having a little stroll through. It's a really beautiful area, lots of old buildings, lots of decorative features and beautiful shops in the area we're in now. So let's have a look. We're just sitting down for a little rest. This is a very nice theatre. It's beautifully decorated and the street's really lovely. There's a church up the end. So far, so good. We're on our way to the Hofbrauhaus where our German friends told us to go, so we'll check it out from there. One of the many Brauhauses. This one's in the Marienplatz. It's a little more expensive, but has got nice situations sitting out here. We're going to head off to the Hofbrauhaus. We've just checked into our hotel in Munich. We arrived a little while ago and we're staying at Buddy's rooms. Mike's birthday is tomorrow. We just mentioned it at the counter and we were very lucky to get an upgrade from the standard room to a room on the 5th floor. So I'm going to show you around. Mike's doing a bit of charging. We've got a lounge, coffee station, another lounge which looks like it pulls out into a sofa bed, TV hanging up here and windows. As far as the eye can see, the whole room has just windows going all the way along and we can watch the streets of Munich. Pretty cool. Thank you, Buddy's rooms. This is the Rathaus, the town centre or the town hall, and it is massive. Like honestly, I don't even think you can see how big it is here, but I'll walk around the corner in a second and you'll see. Corridor, and it wraps right around. I'm going to turn around and show you it in a second, but my goodness, what an impressive structure. You can pay to go up the tower, which we may do tomorrow, I'm not too sure, but again, we're on the way to Hofbrauhaus. We need a beer. Let's go. Honestly, you just cannot walk more than 5 meters without walking into some form of art or beautiful sculpture or beautiful church. Europe just keeps giving. So we are in a beautiful little park here in Munich and it's a lovely sunny day. Mike grabbed a beer, I grabbed a lemon squash and a couple of snacks and we've sat here and had a little picnic. There's a bit of an English garden and a few more gardens. We're going to go have a little look, but it's a beautiful day here in Munich. Park in Munich, and just over here there's some guys that are surfing off a water coming out of a bridge or through a tunnel from the town. We sort of saw the same thing in Switzerland, but apparently it's really good, so we're going to go have a look. So this is surfing in Munich. We're at a bridge where there's a bit of wake and they are kind of surfing, kind of wakeboarding, but yeah, pretty cool. This seems to be a beer tour. 6-person beer car in Munich. Maybe the best way to get around we've ever seen. This is the Hofbrauhaus in Munich. We're trying to find a table, but it is hectic. So we snagged a table. The waiter's got to come back and clean it, but we got one. are just about to enter Frühlingsfest. So Frühlingsfest is spring festival. It's like a smaller Oktoberfest, and there looks to be carnival rides, lots of beer. I'm sure all the beer you could possibly drink. Lots of German foods, lots of fun, lots of music. So we're going to go in and check it out now. Let's go. All right, we think we found the beer tent. Let's go in and check out this beer tent. All right, Mike's finished his beer. What do you reckon, Mike?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Hasn't had a bad Weissbier in Germany yet, so not bad. This is Springfest. It's very quiet at the moment. It is kind of just after lunch, very family orientated. So we're going to head off to a local recommendation to a Brauhaus, Augustiner Keller. So let's go check that one out. We've just arrived at Augustiner Keller. Already it looks really charming, really cute, and exactly what we're looking for. Keller, got ourselves some drinks. Mark's having his little birthday leadery. The Augustiner will be speared. Alright, we're on our second round of drinks. Mike's messaging people from his birthday, causing trouble as per. Hang on. Oh. And here's the menu for the Augustiner. Looks good. I can confirm the Pinot Grigio is lovely. The garden's nice, and this is the beer garden down here. It's not actually open today, but very charming. He is birthday Mike. There's something for everyone here. We've got the bocce crew. Alright, so we've had a quick change of plans. We've had a couple of days in Munich already. We spent Mike's birthday yesterday going around to different beer halls and to the Frühlingsfest, the Springfest. And we were planning on leaving today, but the sleeper train that we want to take over to Hungary has sold out. So we're going to take it tomorrow night instead, and we've booked into a 4-berth courgette, I think they call it, which is a 4-berth sleeper. So we'll be sharing the room with 2 other people. But that meant we had to stay an extra night in Munich, and we looked online and we decided that we would book into the München City Hotel, which looked fantastic online. It's a 4-star hotel. It's really nice, and we found a great price for it, so fantastic. And we went to check in and they couldn't find our booking, and 3 hours later they still couldn't find our booking. So they have very, very kindly, once it all came through the booking agent, they have very kindly upgraded us to a junior suite. Now, oh my goodness, their regular rooms were lovely enough, and we were happy to stay here, and of course pay for that. But they upgraded us free of charge because we have waited 3 hours down in the lobby for it all to be sorted. I'm going to show you around now. It is just beautiful, and we 100% recommend them in Munich because the service and care that they took of us, even though it did take a really long time to sort out, it was really well done, and the people are so lovely. So I'll show you the room now. Alrighty, we have got the bathroom. It's really nicely decorated, and our luggage just there. We've got a beautiful lounge suite and coffee table area. Mike's having a little sit and relax in the little desk space or the chairs. I'm obsessed with these windows. Look at the shape. It's like a diamond shape. There's 2 of them, and we look out onto some cute little buildings, bit of a city skyline. They open so you can let fresh air in. The bed looks so comfy. I'm so excited. Got a great TV in the wall which swings around, and a storage area complete with fridge which we've stocked up. We're going to have some cheese and crackers tonight, and little coffee area. Oh my goodness me, I'm excited.
Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps to support us. See you next time.